Hello, my name is Nutan Salve. Today I am creating question number 48 in chapter number 8, folding unfolding. So let's start. So first they told us take one triangle. We need one triangle. So we take one triangle. Then they told us fold like this. So we fold like this. Then they told us fold down to upside, so we fold it. And now they told us to cut in right and left side two semicircles, so we cut it. Okay, now we fold. Now they told us cut diamond shape in here, so we cut it. Okay, now we cut like this. Then now we unfold the question figure number 2. So we unfold like this. Then we unfold the first fold. So we got like this question answer figure. So our correct answer is question number B. Thank you.